Today's lesson will teach you how to easily color eyes in Photoshop. Since this is a dark eye, we must first make it brighter. Therefore, make a curves adjustment layer. Just like that, take it all up. Now, select the mask. Press Ctrl+Command+I. Let's make a hue saturation adjustment layer right now. Select any color you desire, but make sure to first enable color eyes. So, I'm going to choose green. Let's increase the saturation. Select the mask, press Ctrl+Command+I. Take the brush and make sure the white is selected as foreground, and simply paint over the eye in that manner. Be careful, don't paint the outside. Now make another hue saturation adjustment layer. Check color eyes one more this time. Whatever color you want on the inside, I'm going to select that. I'm going to increase the saturation. Select the mask, press Ctrl+Command+I. Take the brush, make sure the foreground color is white, and just paint on the inside. You can now experiment with the hue saturation in the future. Let's go back to this. You can choose whatever color you like. You can choose green, you can choose blue, yellow, whatever you want. I'm going to keep it at blue. Furthermore, you can add more than 2 colors. That is enjoyable, right?